This is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6, and today I will share a few useful camera tips and tricks for this phone. So let's launch the camera and start by showing you the cover screen preview feature. So enable this icon to the top right, and you can now see your camera preview from the additional cover screen at the back side of your phone. You can also use your camera as you would normally with only cover screen. Just fold or flip your phone like that, then unlock the screen, swipe this camera icon, and here you have it. So you can take photos, maybe do some other stuff as well, and just use camera as you would normally. Then inside the camera you can switch between 12 megapixel and 50 megapixel modes, so pretty much regular resolution and high res mode. So now let me go ahead and take two identical photos, one using the 12 megapixels and another one using 50, so we can compare them right afterwards and see how different they are actually. So this picture has been taken using the regular photo mode. That's the furthest I can zoom in, and you can see yourself how many details it preserves. The exposure is all over the place on this photo, but I took it quickly, so I do apologize. And if you will open the photo details, you'll see that the resolution of this picture is 3K by 4K. And when it comes to 50 megapixel high-res mode, you can clearly see that I can zoom in way further, and more details are preserved, more tiny small elements and items we can distinguish and see. Even this filth that is not very pleasant to look at, but still it proves the point that this camera has the 50 megapixel mode. In this camera allows you to, well, capture even the tiniest smallest details, and the resolution of this picture is, as you can see, 6K by 8K. Then moving on, let's explore some useful camera modes that this phone has to offer. So go into the more section. Here you'll find the Pro mode and Pro video mode. And what this mode is good for, it gets you more manual control over the pictures you shoot. So here you can manually adjust the ISO value, shutter speed, exposure, focus distance, and white balance. So if you would like to get some particular result or particular picture, and the way the camera treats those parameters automatically does not allow you so, Camera Pro mode is a way to go, and it's absolutely identically the same for the Pro video mode. It's just, instead of capturing photos, it allows you to do that for video shooting. Here you also have this little histogram, which is also very convenient. Now let's see what photo options we can change. By the way, that's also a trick you may have missed. So you can switch between selfie and back cameras by swiping the viewfinder to the bottom or to the top, doesn't matter. So where are my picture specifications here? Or actually another small tip also, before I go to settings, by tapping anywhere at the viewfinder, you can quickly adjust the exposure. So you can go from bright to dim, or stay in the middle. So inside the camera settings, you'll find the Scan QR codes option, which once enabled, automatically detects and, well, processes QR codes that your camera viewfinder happened to capture. So you will not need to install any third-party QR code scanners or use Google Lens for it. Just boot up your default camera app and you're good to go. And the same goes for the scan documents and text, by the way. Once enabled, the camera automatically detects, or actually you'll need to additionally enable the auto scan, but it is able to detect like documents and format them accordingly, and like cut them off from the entire frame and save them to gallery perhaps, or transform them into a PDF file. If you would like for the documents to be automatically scanned without you having to press the shutter button, just switch the auto scan option on. Now, what else do we have here? We have the custom watermark, so switch on the watermark, select the model name and press edit. Here write whatever you want the camera watermark to apply, whatever text you want it to apply, and here is your custom watermark, which you can also change the alignment of. You can also switch fonts and move it from top to bottom and vice versa. Well, let's see what else we have here. Yep, so let's explore some additional shooting methods. So here you can enable voice commands such as smile, cheese, capture, or shoot. You can enable the floating shutter button or show palm shooting method. So let's test the voice commands. Smile. As you can see, it works like a clock. Or if I will show my palm to the camera, it will also take a photo, or it should at least. It doesn't work properly all the time. For example, it doesn't work now, but believe me, it should. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. If you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.